Hello lovely kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn kitchen vocabulary thing. Let's start. Stove, pan, spoon, fork, glass, cup, cutting board, toaster, blender, baking blender, plate, knife, fridge, microwave, pot, jug, rice cooker, bowl, chopsticks, sponge, lighter, cupboard, jarter, rolling pin, apron, saucepan, cake slicer, colander, baking tray, ice cream scoop, measuring jug, potato masher, kitchen table, crockery, ice tray, food processor, waffle maker, tongs. Okay, goodbye friends. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.